outline, I've mentioned others which are not. It is a situation based on the estimates that were done last year. We all know. Today in this stakeholders meeting, we are discussing different modalities that will help us integrate HIV services into other health services for people to continue receiving these services. Cadres like HIV testing providers, adherence counselors, these are cadres which were not there within the health system. The partners have been supporting them, but now it has reached a time when donor funding is going down. Most of these people, their contracts have ended, so we don't have personnel